So today I want to tell you about Loom. Loom is free for teachers and students, but if you will Google Loom Pro free for educators, you can get to this page, which allows you to verify your account. Once you do that, you'll get all the bells and whistles with Loom. So actually, Loom is a standalone website, and you can access it and sign in with your account. You can also use the Chrome extension that lives in your browser, and they also have a downloadable desktop app. So I would simply go and click New Video. It's going to ask me what I want to record. You can see I've got the little circle over there, my Loom recording. I can choose the screen and the camera. I can choose the screen only, or I can choose the camera only and make a video of just me. Once I've done that, I can decide if I want it to be the full desktop or just the tab that I'm currently working in. There are some advanced options, your microphone source, what photo do you want to use, any other controls, your countdown. So you can do all of that. And then over there, notifications, it's telling you, you've got some videos that have been viewed or are ready. So once I have all of these things set, I'll just simply click the red button. It will give me a choice of what I want to show, and then I click share. It gives me a countdown. Now I'm actually recording. So what I would typically do with this is I could go to Schoology and talk to my students about their courses and tell them click here, go here, and do whatever you need them to do. The other option is if I'm working in Apex or some other program, I can simply take them through what it looks like in their course. When I am finished, I will click this check mark, and it gets my video ready. The video has its own link that I can copy and send to students, put in Teams, Google Classroom, Schoology, whatever I want. I can change the privacy of this video, make it public, or just specifically for sharing. I can add a password, so they have to have the password to view the video if I want to do that. And I can download the video. So the beauty is I can download it and use it in other ways. I can duplicate the video if I needed to. I have some other nice features in here, like the video settings. So it shows you that you can allow comments or turn those comments off. Any kind of reactions or thumbnail, anything that you want in the video or don't want in the video, you can add here. You can also trim the video. So this is helpful if you were not prepared when it started and you need to take off the beginning or the end of it. You can play it. Now I'm actually recording and see what it looks like. And you can make changes here. And then once you're done and you're ready to give this to your students, like I said, you just copy this link and you paste it there, and this is what it would look like on the student end. We get this nice clean player where I'm actually logged in, so you see all of that, but let me take a minute and show you what it looks like in an incognito window. So I'm not signed in. So on the student end, no need to sign in. It simply takes them to the Loom page. And notice if I don't cut this off, they have the opportunity to give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. There's a commenting feature. If you want to let them comment on the video, you can, but you don't have to. Another really neat feature is if they want to speed you up, they can listen to you at a faster speed. Now I'm actually recording. So what I would typically do with this is I could go to Schoology and talk to my students. So it can be really fast if they wanted to kind of speed through and get to a certain point. So anyway, I'm a huge fan of Loom, and I think you will be too. So let me know if you decide to use Loom, and let me know how it goes.